How to delete a sold item on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete a sold item. So how do you delete a sold item on Mercari? It is simple. The first step is to visit the Mercari's website, just like I have done here, and then move to the top right corner and click on the login option in order for you to log into your account. And then once you're logged in, on this same top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Just click on it. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, you will see the selling tab. So switch to your selling tab. And then once you're on your selling tab, you'll see all of your sold items. All right, you see all of your items, the ones that you've listed, the ones that you've sold. So scroll through your list of sold items until you find the one you want to delete. All right, so select the one that you'd like to delete, and then by the right side of the item that you would like to delete, you will see the more button, usually represented by three dots. Click on that, and then by clicking on the more button, you will see different options. Select the delete option from the drop down menu, and then just like that particular item will be deleted. So like I said, log in into your account first of all. Into the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon, select selling tab, and then you'll be taken to your page where you see all of the items that you sold. Select the one you'd like to delete, click on the more option button of the item and select delete option, and the item will be deleted successfully. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.